Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. It is Michelle the DIY Professor. Yes, I have been gone for a minute again, but I am coming back to you with another makeover for the bathroom. This is my guest bathroom and I actually owe you guys 2 more videos and I promise I have them coming for you. But right now, let's get into this video of my guest bathroom makeover. I'm going to show you a little bit of the process and then I'll go ahead and reveal it to you with some details. So first I started by just taking everything out of the cabinets, off of the walls, and just decluttering and clearing out everything. Guys, this is a little bit more than just a makeover. It's more of a renovation. Here you see me taping up the mirror. This is how you get a mirror down in the bathroom without breaking it. You tape it first, so I'll let you watch this process. After taping it, you see us putting shims, just little wood splints behind the mirror. This loosens up the glue behind the mirror and helps it to come off as one piece. I do not like popcorn on the ceiling, so I am actually peeling the ceiling and going with a different technique. I don't know if you can tell, but I did wet the ceiling before I started to scrape the popcorn layer off. That is the best way to keep down the dust. I do have on a hairnet and a dust mask just in case, however, but if you wet the ceiling first, it does keep down a lot of dust.
One step away from having it all. Boyfriend, girlfriend, fancy car. You're insatiable. You just want more. Climbing mountains, crushing your goals. But you put your happiness on hold. Still waiting to start living. You need to know you're beautiful. You're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go.
So as you can see, we have everything out of the space now. The molding's up, everything is stripped. We are ready to paint and I am going to reveal the paint color to you right now. So yes, I decided to go with blue, and this is an HGTV signature color blue, and I will put that link in the description box below. I picked it up at my local Lowe's, so I'm going to start getting this on the walls, and guys, after this will be the reveal because there was just not enough space for me to go through the whole process and film it all. So following this, you will see the reveal. I hope you like it. And here it is, $1,000 and 4 days later.
You need to know you're beautiful. You're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. 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 Yeah. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy. It's so crazy.
So on the floors are a peel and stick laminate tile that looks like hardwood floors. To do the bathroom was about $47, and I picked that up at Lowe's. The carpeting on the floor, the rugs came from Amazon, so did the shower curtain, and most of the decor, which I will leave a link in the description box. I do have to show you the new shower head that I put on. I love it. I have not tried it out yet, but I plan to get into that tonight. And the cabinet is also from Amazon. That was not there before. And I absolutely love it. I have not put anything in it. But guys, get into that candle. The package behind the candle is the way it came from Amazon. And I loved it. So I put both of them on the shelf. On the walls is a peel and stick flower, and it has like little flower petals and butterflies. So they are all around the bathroom. So as you can see, the theme for the bathroom was blue, white with a touch of silver and gold. And I think I pulled it off pretty good. Guys, if you like what you see, check the description box below because I put links to almost everything you see here, being that almost everything in here is brand new. So you can pretty much grab anything that you like if you want to decorate your bathroom as well and you like what I got going on here. Thanks for watching. Bye.